Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a haul, a small one. It's Aliexpress finally sent some of my stuff that I ordered. I will be as surprised as you are if it is a Blythe doll because, okay, I do have Blythe dolls coming, but I think this is something else this time. I will be surprised because it's awfully small here. You know, they have those big heads that I adore. But let's see who came. It's wrapped like a doll. I ordered some dolls. And then who knows, Darren orders me stuff too. So it's always fun to get those surprises. Oh yeah, this is, okay. Very cool. This is a doll I ordered. I ordered a small articulated, the little 6-inch articulated dolls. And I really like them, and they had these, what is that, 12-inch dolls. So I thought I'd give them a look, and they had them for different prices. This was the best price, and it came with an outfit and shoes. I want the shoes. And it's a good thing, because that's an odd size foot. I don't know where I would have gotten shoes. I have a friend that is Scottish, actually two. Because I count Beth Ramsden as a friend now. So I wanted the little Scottish girl. How odd, her socks are not on, but here they are. Makes me wonder if it's hard to get the shoes on or if they just put that in there. They're cheap little shoes, but they're shoes and her feet are not bad. It would have been a hard foot to fit, let's say that. She has a foot like mine, wide in the front. Well, I'll deal with that in a minute. Let's show you the rest of this. Anyway, she's a cute little doll. She's very, very articulated. She is able to do the splits or ride a horse. She does not bend at the waist, but her arms go out and they twist, and the wrist twist and folds in all directions. Very, very articulated little doll. I thought she was cute, and I've been doing more photography. I'll never get into it. I'm not that good at it, but it's kind of fun. But I thought I'd like to see what one of these little dolls look like. She's actually, I think she's very cute. All you Scottish people are out there saying, that's backwards. And I don't know if it is or not. I'm just guessing that I've got it wrong. And then she has this cute little beret that I can't seem to get on, right? There we go. She's a cute doll. I'm pleased. Very pleased. I'm trying to remember what I paid for her. I think it was under $10. I can't remember for a fact, but I also got this package. I think I know what it is. I ordered these little stuffed animals like, excuse me, Barbie size and Blythe size, but I ordered them way back in early February so that I would have them. Actually, when was Easter? Yeah, I ordered them like January, and they didn't come and didn't come and didn't come, and they still didn't. This is actually something else entirely. This is for my Yorkshire Terrier. When it snows here, which we don't get a lot of snow in Missouri where we spend our winters now. Where's the edge of this bag? I put these little PJs on Katie under her dog coat so that the snow doesn't ball up in her armpits and her little belly doesn't drag. She's only this tall, and you know, if we get 6 inches of snow, it's up to her shoulders. She's just a little bitty thing. So anyway, I got her this. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe at our Dolls Rescue channel.